Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Happy New Year. I wanted to feel a little bit cozy, so I put warm clothes. I mean, it's not that it's that cold, but still. Um, and quality of the video is a little bit darkish, but it's okay. So in this video, I would like to talk about golden cross and death cross, what it is in cryptocurrency, what does that mean, all the things. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead of this video. Actually, I prepared this video last year, but I didn't have time to actually to record it. I didn't felt it so I thought I have some videos that I want to record for month of January of 2023. So I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and be done with this. So here we are now. So let's begin. So I guess death cross represents bear market and golden cross it's bull market. So it's kind of like comparison of both. But we will talk more about it. So what is a moving average? The moving average is a stock indicator commonly used in technical analysis of the date updated in average price. So a clear grasp of moving average is MA. So moving average stands as MA is crucial and better understanding the golden cross and the death cross. So it's calculated to determine the trend direction of the assets or identify its support and resistance levels. So we can see provides useful signals when trading cryptocurrency charts in real time. So MAs indicate wherever the asset is trending in the bullish, positive upward direction or moving in bearish, where it's negative and downward direction. I believe I did couple weeks or a month ago a video 3 ways trading in bear market. So we're gonna dive in more into it. So as you know, the slides are for you just in case if I will forget something and I just have to remember, so I will have it. Because to remember everything sometimes it's very hard. So yeah. So yeah, so as well, MAs can be adjusted different periods such as 10, 20, 50, 100 or 200-day periods. Such a periods highlight market trends, making them easily to understand or identifiable, that you can easily to understand it. Yeah. The first is the simple moving average SMA, which takes an asset average price over a certain period divided by a total number of periods. So as example of simple moving average SM, so SM is person, let's say. If a crypto trader wants to calculate the SMA for Bitcoin using its closing prices over the last 5 days, the calculation will look like this. So SMA, right? Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, and divided by 5. So let's see how it will be with the numbers. Using actual values for closing prices from September 8th to 12th of 2022, the SMA for the first 5-day periods would be, so if the price was 19,429 plus 21,000, then plus 21,680 plus 21,769 plus 2020 1,370 divided by 5. So our SMA will be 21,306. So it's pretty much like all those numbers. So it's P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 is the closing prices from September 8th. So September 8th, September 9, 10, 11, and 12. So this is the calculation. So I hope you can understand this example. What is golden cross? So golden cross occurs when a short-term MA and major long-term MA cross over toward the upside. A golden cross suggests a price rise and upward turn in the market. The short-term MA moves upward much faster than a long-term MA until market conditions push them to cross. So it goes like that, and then it's ever goes. So they kind of cross. In terms of simple moving averages, golden crosses occur when 50-day SMA crosses above the 200-day. So can understand. So it's uptrend. So here is example of golden cross. So we can see how it moves, and they hit here, and also all the lines, right? So they will be crossing together, right? So they create golden cross because then they go all upwards, so they kind of move, hit, and then they go uphill, right? So it's golden cross. If it go, and they go down, it's death cross. Kind of easy, right? Not so hard. Let me move this so I can read it, and of course you can check it. A golden cross formally typically has 3 stages. When selling is depleted, it usually marks the end of the downtrend and thus beginning a golden cross. The next stage is when the short-term MA crosses through a long-term MA. This is quickly followed by the last stage, marked by a continuing uptrend, usually leading to higher price. So this is what we actually saw here. You see, they go, long and short term, they meet and they're going uphill, right? So the price increases. No 2 golden crosses are identical, but these 3 stages are usually the distinctive events that mark the occurrence of the golden cross. Let's look to other stages where more detailed. So I have other presentation over there, but during the first stage, buyers are taking control of downtrend, a short-term weakness in 50-day moving average signals in the beginning of the golden cross. This is because the resulting strength typically arises from buyers beginning to take control just as short-term sellers are drying up. We understand, right? I mean, this strategy. A leveling out occurs on the chart with buyers driving prices higher. So buyers are the one who pick up, the sellers putting down. So kind of makes sense, right? As they try to gain control. The resulting momentum gradually pushes a 50-day MA through the 200 MA, in which point the 2-period crosses. So this is kind of simple, right? The final staging happens at 50-day MA, continues to push up, indicating its momentum. This also typically leads to overbuying only in short burst. So hopefully we understood it, going back, what it is, how does it pushes through. So golden cross occurs when short-term MA and major long-term MA cross towards the upside. So it suggests that the price will rise in the market, right? As we have seen it here, you see, 20 and 50, crosses, they meet in golden cross and the price go up. So in death cross, it's everything opposite. Comparing to gold cross, death cross involves in downside MA crossover. This market is definitely market definitive market downturn, and typically occurs when the short-term MA trends down, crossing the long-term MA. So it's exactly opposite of golden cross. The death cross is usually read as bearish signal. The 50-day MA typically crosses below 200-day MA, signaling a downtrend. It's as well free phases market, death cross. The first occurs during uptrend when short-term MA still is above the long-term MA. The second phase is characterized by reversal, during the which term MA crosses below the long-term MA. So let's check it out. How does it look? You see? So it's not like they're moving, like high and low, even like long-term and short, they're moving and they kind of hit here and it's go up, like up. So it's golden cross. And here is when they actually long-term and short-term. So short-term is below and they kind of hit and they go downhill. So it's like opposite, correct? So it goes down. So like golden cross, no death crosses are alike, but specifically indicate signal their occurrences. So we can if you go, let's say you can check it on your own term to see how does it go. So you kind of can understand what will happen to know, like you can see where the market will be going bullish or bearish, like golden cross or death cross in long term, in long term and short, so you kind of can understand if it goes, prices will continue to fall or prices will go up. What is the difference between a golden cross and death cross? The golden cross and death cross are usually confirmed by high trading volume. Other technical synthetic indicators that usually may look at are moving average divergence, like like a strength index. Death crosses typically signal the beginning of the long-term bear market, not just crypto, but overall all stock markets. The death cross of a rival major economic crisis in the past, such as a Black Monday stock market crash of 1929 and in the 2008 financial crisis. That's sad. That said, death crosses may also indicate false signals and are not 100% accurate. For instance, there have been instances of markets recovering after death cross. On the other hand, golden crosses signal the arrival of long-term bullish market, but despite inapparent predictive ability in forecasts previously, huge bull runs, golden cross may also produce some false signals as well. So you have to double check how it was before, just kind of understand is it high, is it confirmed as high trading volume, what can happen. So you kind of have to take a little bit longer days just to see, but kind of we know, yes, if we go both and 50 MA like short term is still below, wait, is it below? Yeah, so the of course usually reading bearish signal, the 50 days typically crosses below the 200. So here's 200 AMA and 50 days below 200. So it's kind of signaling trading of death cross, and opposite like golden cross, if you see, in terms simply moving averages golden cross occur with 50-day and 200, and they kind of meet, so it goes as it's only that, they slide, they move, and they go up. Something like that. So yeah, so golden cross with a death cross, summary of the key differences. So let me just move myself so we can still have it. So it's golden cross and death cross. What is signals? Golden cross is mean uptrend, death cross mean downtrend, or another way, golden cross is bullish market, death cross is bear market. Possible economic implications: long-term bullish market, upcoming bull run. Possible economic implication on death cross is long-term bear market, economic disturbance, so fails. losing money, right? Indicator 50-day MA crosses above the 200-day MA in golden cross, and in death cross, 50-day MA crosses below the 200-day MA. I hope it's I hope it's explained, the indicators of it. Traders usually behavior, so when it's golden cross, they're buying, and when it's death cross, traders usually selling. But it's not like 100% like indicator, sometimes it can be like false pretenses, like false signals. I hope you learned something new very quickly. We went through it. So in your homework, you can check what is happening now. Will we kind of go up and it will be changes, or we're going to be still in death cross? I mean, hopefully no. Hopefully will be 2023 will be golden cross, hopefully. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. So if you have suggestions for another videos, please write it down, like the video, because I try my best with these videos to have them more educational and more interesting for you, like new things. And yeah, show me some love. Bye everyone, and happy holidays, and hopefully everything will be much better in this year. Bye.